Okay, once you're at the website to start downloading your software, you might feel overwhelmed because there is a lot of things on this page that you could download. Pretty much it's these first two items that you're really interested in. And it's really just one of those items because either you're going to be using a Macintosh, that is Apple computer, or you're going to use a Windows computer. I'm using a Windows computer, so I would download the Windows version. And once that happens, you'll see that it comes down right here on the bottom of my screen because I'm using Google Chrome as my browser. If you're using a Macintosh, you would download the Macintosh version. I'm also downloading the guidebook. The guidebook is like the owner's manual. And I want to be able to look up how to plug in stuff to this emulator because it's not just doing 7x6. It's doing a lot of other things that it's pretty fancy-dancy. So I want to make sure I have the guidebook available on my computer in the event that I need to figure out how to do something on the calculator. Once you download it, only takes about a minute to download. For me, I'm going to click on it to install it. Now, my computer says, whoa, wait a minute. Are you sure you want to download this and install it? And I say yes. And it's going to go through a little wizard to install it. Again, I'm just going to follow the directions. I'm going to let it choose where it wants to save the information, and I'm going to say install. It only takes a minute or two to install this on my computer. The one thing I do want to tell you is that this software you don't own. This is only a trial period. It's only 90 days that you have this software for. Now that it's done installing, I'm going to go ahead and launch it and say, yeah, go ahead, launch it. And it's going to open it right up. If it doesn't, I can go to my desktop and double click on the little icon that it put there. And here you go. Welcome to the TI Smart View. Yes, activate your license. That's if you actually bought a license. No, if you want to continue with the trial version, I'm going to say that. Or no, purchase a license. Now, I will say these licenses are not inexpensive. If you were to go out and actually purchase this calculator, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. This is what the calculator looks like. If you went out to actually purchase this calculator, it's about $120. And I would say if you're going to continue with math at any stage of your life, go ahead and invest the $120. If you're not, don't invest the $120. Just use this emulation software. Again, it gives us 90 days trial free. If you were to buy this, I did go to a website where you can buy the emulation software, and it is less than actually buying the calculator. It's $95 for the license. I'm not expecting you to go out and buy the license. I'm figuring that this trial version will be good enough for us. And I might even have you guys hold off for the first week because you really won't need a powerful calculator like this for a little while. So I can get you through the first, since we get 90 days and this class is actually, what, 8 weeks long? 8 times 7 is 56. So we should actually get through just fine. Okay, so that's how you're going to load up this this calculator. I also recommend downloading the guidebook. I've already done that, and I can open up the guidebook right here, and this will really help me be able to use this calculator appropriately. So if I wanted to calculate something that uses one of these fancy formulas, I would go to my guidebook. What I'm going to do for you guys over these next weeks is I'm going to show you an example of using the calculator, the emulated calculator environment. So doing homework, you'll be able to use it as well. So that's it for installing this TI84 emulation software. Until next time, be seeing you.